Look now, Meghalaya is one of the highest dropout rate in the country. Why? Teachers should also share the responsibility. Directly connect to the performance of our teacher. Meghalaya is one of the lowest PJ ranking. Why? It is directly connected with the performance of our teacher. They also should know, right? So I have to admit today, our education system, especially in the lower primary, is not up to the mark. So I would encourage them, right, just to focus on their duties, focus on their performance, focus on their they should give a quality teaching to the students also. Yeah, definitely government is looking at the option. What can we do? We have said once, and we have already had a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister. Chief Minister has asked instructed department to give a detailed presentation before we go ahead.